In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can cancel MTN MiWay Insurance. Maybe you are on that insurance and you don't want it anymore. Don't worry, I've got your back. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can cancel it once and for all. This is Great Filippo, and if this happens to be your first time here, please hit the subscribe button. And also don't forget to like this video. Now let's get started.
Okay, so just open your dialer, and when it opens, you're going to dial *165#, then send. Then give it some few seconds. Then once it comes, it will give you this menu. So you're going to choose number 5 from the options, which is my policy. So number 5. Then it will give you this menu again. Number 1, upgrade. Number 2, cancel policy. So we are going to choose number 2, which is cancel policy. Number 2. Then it will tell you lose insurance cover of so and so amount. Are you sure you want to cancel MiWay policy? So you choose 1 to confirm, and if you have a change of mind, you can choose 2 to cancel. So for my case, I'm choosing 1 to confirm. Then it is asking of the reason you are canceling the policy. So number 1 is I was over deducted. Number 2 is did not understand the policy, and then the last one is lack of funds. For me, I'm choosing lack of funds. I don't have money. So okay, so it's saying, dear client, you are processing your policy termination request. You receive an SMS notification on your request. Stay safe. MiWay Insurance. So once your policy is terminated, an SMS will be sent to you.
If you found this video helpful, please don't hesitate to follow us for more, and also don't forget to like this video. Until we meet again, don't forget to stay active and stay connected. This is Great Filippo. Until we meet again.